See this, guys, how people every second, every single day are earning from this platform passively. Do you want to know how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just posting the playlist and you are getting paid for that? Okay, and you can see this, guys, from their PayPal account. Okay, whatever online platform, whatever currency you are having, you can see Payeer, Bitcoin, web money, whatever income you want. Okay, whatever in the form of digital currency you can get. You can see this, guys, every single day people are actually earning this much amount. Just watch along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just clicking on some URL links, and you are getting paid for that. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just posting your links, funny video links on this websites, okay, on social media platform, and you are getting paid a good amount of money. Do you want to know how you can earn work from home, not even a single penny from your pocket you are going to spend, and you are actually getting good amount of money? You can see this, guys, and you can retrieve your money into PayPal, Payeer or web money. Okay, so PayPal is preferred. Okay, so what I need to show you first, the payment proofs. Okay, so follow along this video, guys, watch this video till the end, and you can see this, guys, people every single day $10 passively. They are not doing anything, guys. You can see this, every second they have earned this much amount. You can see this, the date, how much people are actually earning. You can see the list, 58 pages, and you can see this, the earning proof, okay, in their PayPal, web money. Okay, so how they are doing it, guys? By just posting their links on reputed website. Okay, I'm showing you how you can do it. Okay, so just come up here in this sign up button. So what do you need to do, guys? Just wait for this thing and it will do the checking part. Okay, and what you need to do, guys, you can just enter your username, email ID and password. Okay, so I quickly do it. Okay, I have written my mail ID, my username and my password. I just need to give. Okay, so I have successfully did it. I'm not a robot, and just agree to terms and policies and just click on this register button. Okay, and you can see this, guys, your account has been created. Please check the mailbox. Okay, so what I need to do, guys, I just see my mail. You can see this is my activation link. So just click on this activation link and you are good to go. So just enter your mail ID, guys. Okay, so I just enter my mail ID and password. Okay, I'm not a robot. Okay, just click on this sign in button. So you are in this dashboard, guys. You can see this. Okay, so what you can do, just simple trick that you can see this. So just come up here in this new shortened link. Okay, so you just need to short your link and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so what you can do it, just come up here in YouTube. Okay, and just type in here. Okay, just type in here comedy videos. Okay, what do you need to type? Comedy videos. Okay, guys, what do you need to type? Comedy videos. Just click on this enter, and you can see that, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of comedy videos that you can promote. Okay, and for which you are getting paid. Okay, so this is a cartoon. You can see this, guys, this is a cartoon video that you can promote. You just come up here and just click on this. Okay, and you just need to do one thing, guys. You just need to copy this URL. Okay, just need to copy this URL. Okay, just copy this URL. Okay, and just close it. And what you need to do, just click on this shorten link. We have click on this shorten link. Okay, and just paste your URL and just click on this shorten. So it will do the processing part and it will give you the shorten link. You can see this, guys. So this is my shorten link, you can see. Okay, so I just copy this thing and if you do not have a Twitter account, you just need to type here in you just come up first in Twitter. Okay, so you just need to sign up. Okay, so I'll show you guys how you can do the sign up process. Okay, so I just quickly enter my name. Okay, I just need to take mail ID instead of password. Okay, just select my date of birth. So guys, if you do not know how to do this registration part, so I just quickly show you. Just click on this next button and next. Okay, just click on this sign up. So you can see this, guys, a verification code is sent to my mail ID. So I just quickly see my mail ID and see the verification code. You can see this, guys, this is my verification code. So I just need to copy this verification code. Okay, and just post it here. Okay, just click on this paste button and just click on this next. And you can see this, guys, I just need to enter my password. Okay, so I quickly do it. Okay, just click on this next. And you can see this, guys, I'm good to go. So you can select your image if you have. Okay, I just click on this skip for now. Okay, skip for now. You can enter your bio. Okay, you can select your language preference. Okay, whatever you are. Funny videos. Okay, funny videos. Okay, I'm interested in this funny videos. Okay, or you can see this entertainment as well. Okay, you can take the entertainment part. You can do another things, comedy and humor. Okay, you can select it and just click on this next and next. Okay, skip for now. Okay, and you are coming up in this section. Okay, just you need to type here is funny videos. Okay, you just need to type here funny videos, and you can see that, guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of people who are actually posting their links, tweeting here, and you can also create your own tweet. Okay, just click on this tweet, and what you need to type, watch this funny video. Okay, so just paste your URL. Okay, my URL is in this where is my URL? So it is in this dashboard. You can see this, guys, in this dashboard. I just need to copy this and I just need to paste it here. Okay, watch this funny video. Okay, so I just need to paste it. Okay, so you just click on this and you are good to go, guys. Okay, so it actually do the tweet part. Okay, whatever whatever video you have just posted, so people are actually coming up with your link. Okay, whatever you have tweeted, and just you can see this, guys, the per user, you can see this, how much people can actually earn. Okay, they just want to click your URL and you are getting paid. Okay, you do not know about the potential of earning. You can see the funny video clips, and how much people are actually following those things. Okay, so this is just one part, guys. Okay, I just show you in Facebook account as well. Okay, just come up here in Facebook. Here what you need to do, you just come up here and just type in funny videos. Okay, funny videos. Okay, just click on this funny videos, and you can see this, guys, there are lots and lots of people who are actually you can see this 1.9 million members, guys. It's actually amazing. Okay, where you can post and join this group, and you can post your links to this. Okay, I love entertainment. Okay, you just give this thing. Okay, and they will redirect it to you. And on the group section, guys, what you can do, you just post on your group section, watch this funny video. Just post your link, and you can see this, guys. Okay, so guys, it might show you that this link will be blocked. Okay, so don't worry, don't get bogged down. This is the only thing which I want to show you. Okay, what you can do guys, you just come up here in Google Docs. Okay, so don't get bogged down. This is the mistake that I explicitly do, and wanna show you guys why. You just need to escape these kind of things. Okay, and just post funny video link. Okay, so you can post your link here. Okay, so you just post your link here. Okay, and what you can do right now is to just click on this share part. Okay, and you can give funny video. Okay, what you can do, funny video, you just need to give funny video. Okay, just save it. Okay, so this is a link that you can copy. Okay, this is a link that you can copy, and now it will not show you that it is blocked. Okay, now it will not show you that it is blocked. You can see this guys, and for this guys you can select a funny picture. Okay, funny picture. Okay, I just select this funny picture. Okay, so you can select these kind of funny pictures guys. Okay, so you can see these cartoon pictures that you can do. Let's take this small picture. Okay, for you to understand this thing. Okay, so there are lots and lots of pictures that you can just save it and just post it here. Okay, so that guys people will actually click on your post. Okay, so you just cross it and just post it, this funny image. Okay, so what is it, image this, and you can see this guys. Okay, just need to click on this post button, and people are actually coming up here and just try to click on this. You can see this guys. Okay, they just click on this, watch this funny video. They will create a curiosity that people are actually wanna do it for entertainment, and you can post it on your groups, various groups which you think that they don't follow, they don't do anything. Okay, so you can do in this way also. Okay, so one thing that I have already told you is this Instagram, is this Twitter. Okay, you can post it on Instagram as well. Okay, and various social platforms that you can promote. Now I'll show you how you can withdraw your money. Okay, just click on this withdraw money. Okay, so you can just click on this withdraw button, and you can withdraw your money with just your PayPal account. Okay, so and one more thing I just need to give you guys. You just come up here and this profile section. Okay, and you can see this minimum payout is $5. Okay, so withdraw method is PayPal, and just you need to give your account. Okay, whatever account you are having, or you can see enable automatic withdraw after reaching minimum payout. Okay, so this is very good guys, because whenever $5 minimum payout is there, you do not have to always log in into this account and just retrieving your money into your PayPal account. You do not have to do it. Okay, what you can do, you just enter your mail ID here, and you just need to click on this save button. That's it. Okay, you do not have to do anything, and you can even refer your friends as well guys. If you just refer, the commission that they will get, you can see 20% of their life earning. Let us suppose you are earning $5 a day or $10 a day, you are getting $2 by just referring your friends who are doing the same thing. Okay, so that is why I always I'm going to tell you that guys, whatever you are doing, just share your knowledge, just share whatever I just provide the knowledge to you. You can also post it to your friends as well. Okay, so that guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Okay, you will also get the motivation to do some better things for others. Okay, and guys, if you are having any suggestion how to invest on markets and all, you just write down on the comment section. If you want to earn more money, just write down in the comment section. Share with me some tips and tricks that I should share with you guys, so that you can earn $100 to $200 per day. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy earning.